Y'all know what I just thought about? We can make some slime today. So I'm gonna grab some slime material. Let's see. Oh, alright. I think I found the slime material. Y'all know what we need to make slime? Glue. A couple things of glue. We're gonna have some fun. Alright. 4 things of glue. What else y'all need, man? That's probably it, huh? Grab some contact solution to go on with this. So we're gonna go over here to this aisle. And let's see.
Put it down until you're ready.
Ooh, we're big kids. We got
Put it down until you're ready, Ashley, please.
Yeah, we're big kids.
It's just to stir your glue and your color together.
What y'all about to make? Put it down, Corey. What y'all about to make?
I want green slime. I want pink slime. I want
I didn't say what color y'all want. I said what y'all about to make.
We about to make slime.
Yeah,
Green
slime.
Glue. Yay! Elmer's glue. That's what they
So what's
say.
the first instruction to slime, y'all?
Elmer's
What we got?
glue.
What we got here, y'all? Ashley said.
Elmer's glue.
Yes, glue.
Me.
So the first step is glue.
Yep.
Elmer's glue, you mean? Elmer's glue. On the commercial, they said first add Elmer's glue. Don't worry. Then baking soda. I know how to do it. And then contact solution. Don't worry. I know how to do it. Can I do it? Can I do it?
Just put half of it.
I want to do it.
Pour a little bit in there.
All
right.
I want some. I know how to do it.
All right, everybody gonna do it.
I know how to do it.
All right. Just put
I
half.
want to do it. I want to do it. That's just hard.
All right.
I want to do it.
All right.
Mix up it. Mari put too much.
That's just the rest of the thing.
All right.
Well, cast some.
Everybody got glue. Be quiet, Mara. Everybody got glue.
Mari just wants a big glue. Yeah. Wait. My turn.
She didn't put enough in her thing. I'm just
Can we
putting
mix
some
some?
more.
Just some. I want yellow.
Okay, now
I want
you
red.
want yellow?
I want red.
Put a few drops.
I want green. Can I put 3, 2?
You can put as many as you want.
I want red. I want green. Let me want green. Wait, I want red. Green right here. Green.
All right.
I want red. Can I start mixing? This red.
Yeah.
Mine is yellow. I want red.
All right, that's enough, Mara.
Sorry, I got yellow. Green. I got no.
I'll stir it up while...
Whoa! Zaria said she wanted yellow. Look, Zaria, look what it'll look like. Mine look like blood.
You're stirring it up.
Mine look like blood. I'm making blood.
What color you
Green.
want?
Green. I want yellow.
I think
Oh, here you
I
go.
want green.
All right. What color you gonna bring? You gonna green?
Yep.
Have you purple heart?
Yellow.
You want yellow?
Can we put sparkles in it? Can we put sparkles in it? Yeah, food coloring.
All right, that's enough for you, Zari.
Carla, what color you want? Green? You want green? Or blue?
Wow, I'm red.
You want
Wow,
red?
if I
Blue?
look little, put it on someone.
Okay.
Give me the green slime. Give me the green slime. Give me the gold slime. Give me the Zaria, ours is the same.
All
Give me the
right.
gold. Give me the gold. Give me
Stir
the
it up.
red slime.
Stir it up, Carla.
Give me the yellow slime. Put choice skirts. Yeah, you know
Zari, what color you got?
Red. Oh, look at this. Look at
What color
this.
you got?
Green. Look.
color you
My
got?
color
What color you got,
is
Mara?
yellow. Red. My color is yellow. Red.
All right, now we're going to add some contact solution and baking soda. Stir it up. Stir it up slow. Now you got to stir it up slow. Yeah, get it all in there. Yeah, see what happens when you stir it up slow?
Contact solution.
You see how it's getting hard? You keep stirring it though, y'all. Keep stirring it. If you want to turn all the way, you got to keep stirring. It's gonna get hard. Stir it.
Oh my God. Zaria.
Hold on, Zaria. Your time coming, Zaria. We gotta get some more solution and some more ingredients for you.
I did.
You see it? Keep stirring it. If you keep stirring it, you can play with it in your hand. Keep stirring. Myra, don't wipe it on the seat.
I need to get all of mine. Mine's a slime-tastic.
Keep stirring it. Easy.
My slime. I'm trying to pick some slime
Come on,
up.
Carter,
So
you gotta get yours
I'm
going,
trying to
man.
pick some of my slime up. I'm trying to pick some of my slime up.
I didn't put that much in Carter's.
I know what I was saying.
Oh, next time when we come, can we put a slime? Can we do a?
Good.
Can we do a slime bath?
Yes.
You didn't. Next time we come over here, we need to do a slime bath. And we're gonna get inside the slime bath, and we're gonna do it
Stir it up,
inside.
Zaria. There you go. Keep stirring it. It's gonna turn.
turning into slime. Mine's turning into slime. Let's see. Mine is already slime. I'm just gonna keep
Carter
on
got that
mixing it. So
slime.
I want to add more.
If you add more, it's gonna make it mess up.
boogers.
You gotta keep stirring and keep stirring until it gets harder and harder.
Oh, you see this, Zaria?
Ooh.
Until it gets less sticky.
Hey, look at my.
See hers, Zaria?
I could take
Carter,
it. What will the baking soda do?
it's gonna make it hard so you can put it in your hand.
Do we got? Mine is
That won't work.
almost. Mine's sticky.
I put some of yours.
That's sticky. Come on. Come on.
You gotta keep mixing and mixing and mixing.
Keep on mixing, keep on mixing.
Okay. Wow! Slime. Oh my. Look at this. Does it take a long time?
Yeah.
You can play. Look at this amazing slime. Look at this amazing slime. Give me the green slime.
Oh, look at Mari.
Oh! Maybe we should add more or whatever, because it's just.
You gotta pick it up and put it in your hands. That's how it's gonna. You don't want to, huh? That's the only way it's gonna turn into a ball.
Okay. Always gotta turn into a.
All right.
I take some more off, right?
Mari got hers. Look at this.
At my
You see Brandon?
got hers, and Brandon got hers. Everybody got theirs.
Uh-oh, Ashley finally got it. Zaria had hers, but she wanna wash her hands. Uh-oh. Ashley got the slime.
Ooh, look at my hands. Right? You gotta do this just like gum. If you want to get slime off, you gotta do this
Yep,
just
it's
like
just like gum. Exactly. It's sticky. Uh-oh, what happened to Zaria? Is this all red and orange? Oh, Carter. Carter don't know how to rub it.
Guess what? In my class, we mixed up colors.
You did? You made slime in school?
I had orange and golds.
What grade are you in?
First grade.
First grade.
I'm in
Brandon, what grade you in?
third grade. I'm in. No, the grade you're like in already. I'm in kindergarten.
You in kindergarten? Carter don't want to start school, but he gonna go to Head Start.
To my school.
Yeah, he want to go with Zaria.
Pancake.
Y'all know that we love this. Oh, mama,
Look at Derek. He's about raw eggs and he don't get
boy, y'all did the slime good.
Y'all did good.
Y'all did the slime. Now y'all can tell everybody y'all did the slime. Y'all did the slime.
I hope my best friend is watching. I hope my best friend is watching.
Who your best friend is? Shout out to your best friend. Gonna do that. Alright, who you gonna shout out, girl?
The guys.
Who you showing? Showing your mama?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm showing. I hope my dad watched this.
Oh, your dad. Of course your dad gonna watch it. Your dad always watch your videos.
He loves slime. He loves. I'm gonna start vlogging.
Brandon over there got a nice little circle. Y'all did good, man. Alright, so now what we're gonna do, Mari Ashley, and Brandon. Y'all can put y'all in the freezer, and it's gonna be extra tight when y'all get it out later.
Can I touch it?
I like your slime, Zaria.
No.
Let me see your slime. It's cold.
You didn't handle something, huh?
Zaria got a slime. Carter man got a slime in the refrigerator. In the
Oh, green from yesterday.
Yeah. A big one.
Carter, what you moved the green one from yesterday?
Yeah.
It's big.
Wait.
Sneaky.
Okay, now go. Yours is connected to mine. Mommy!
What y'all want to do? Y'all want to mix y'all's together or no?
Yeah, we want to mix it together.
If y'all mix it together, that means you're only going to have one, and that means you're going to have to share one.
No.
I figured I only want to do that. Everybody show their slime, and everybody say bye to the D&T fam.
Bye.